Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to your channel. I'm your host and your host Shreya, and today in this video I will be recreating Jacqueline Fernandez's look from her latest song Paani Paani, which is totally loved and it's trending. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. I have already applied a moisturizer and now I'm applying primer. Friends, I am applying this red lipstick. No, not on my lips but on my cheeks because I want to have that natural blush effect. And I saw it on Instagram that people are using this like so much, so I want to try this. Now I am contouring my nose and I will be doing all the contouring and concealing part before I apply foundation because I really want to have a natural look in this video. This is how you can have a perfect jawline and no double chin. You just have to apply your contour shade in the shown areas and there you go. Concealer is very important for girls or women who wear specs because we tend to have dark circles. So never miss a concealer. I never miss a concealer. It's a very important step for me. Here I am applying concealer on the top of my nose. It highlights your nose and make it look more thin and more sharp. After a small happy dance, I am going to blend all my concealing, contouring, everything. And then I am going to apply my foundation. After completing my base makeup, now comes the eye makeup. I am creating a simple, basic yet very attractive smoky eye with the help of a kajal, a smudger and a brown eyeshadow. You can simply follow the steps and you will get a glamorous result. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like this video and share it with your friends, and please do comment down your feedback below. Thank you. Bye bye.